Up guys, Shelly Spot here, and this is Bareface Cube filming, aka Cole Johnson, and we are making insulation for the tiny house.
So basically what I'm doing here is trying to fit in all of these foam insulation boards. They're covered in fiberglass, and so they fit 3 deep in here because they're about 2.5 inches in width or in height. And so I'm just trying to take these broken pieces of it and fit them together to where they can insulate my home. So this is going to be the subfloor, and ordinarily when you're building a home like a regular home, you would insulate after the fact, after all of the electricity and the plumbing was in. But our kitchen floor is going to be raised, and so all of those things are going to be concealed underneath the kitchen floor. So once I get it insulated, I'm going to go ahead and seal it up with plywood boards, and I'm going to spray foam insulation in between the cracks to hold everything together. So I'm just basically piecing together. So I'm going to try and figure out how to do time lapse on here so that we can progress all the way down. If you'll show the amount of space that we have left to do. So this is just the start, and I just had some broken pieces, so I was trying to puzzle them together in a way that fits. So you have to be really careful when handling fiberglass insulation because it gets in your skin if you're not careful. So I'm using a glove. I could only find one of them, so I'm using just a regular bread knife to cut it. And so I score the edge halfway down, and once I get halfway through, I just stand it up and break it on the opposite side, and then just cut that piece of paper. So it should be really super simple and fast once we get a groove going. And I think you're just filming my butt instead of what I'm doing.
No,
it looks like it's pointing right at my bottom. So I just score it like that halfway through and just break it. It doesn't always
and just
go
break
that way.
it.
I tried to break it. I didn't score it hard enough, I guess. But anyway, it's a learning curve, and it's a process that
we'd have to pause it a whole
take a while. But yeah, there'll be time lapse later. I just wanted to give people an idea of where I'm at in my home build process, and I want to beat things up, so this worked out really well for me. There we go. So
mosquitoes.
That cracked really nice, and we poured bleach and everything. And also, people, I need somebody to come get this cow spa over here. Go show a picture.
We are.
Bring glasses from people because I can't break my body.
If you guys want this,
if you want it, come get it. Personal message me for the information on where it's located.
can we give out the email? The email?
Yeah, you can send me a personal message on Facebook at Shelly Hopkins, or you can.
We'll just put your email address, Gmail, and the address in the thing. If you guys want this spa, you'll have to look in the description, the description, or the comments below, and it'll say like at Shelly whatever, and you guys could maybe buy it.
Well, they don't have to buy it; they just have to come get it and bring somebody to help them move it because it's too heavy for me to help.
Yeah, she can't help with it. It's super heavy. You guys, you're probably gonna have to bring like a whole lot of manpower.
3 people. It took us 3 people. We wish we would have had 5, but
It took 3 people.
we really wish we would have had 5. So.
But you are gonna have to clean it out yourself, cause
we have chemicals for it and all that good stuff.
yeah, we have chemicals.
Come get it. Pretty please and thank you. All right, so once I get this all pieced together and filled in, I'm going to go ahead and push it down as far as I can without puncturing the vapor barrier. fill in the rest of these spots, and then I'm going to put spray foam in the cracks and crevices, and then we're going to screw down these plywoods over here for the subfloor. So wish us luck, and hopefully... Oh, did you break my phone, dude? Or is that a hair?
It's a hair.
It looks like my phone was broke. I was like, really?
I do that all the time. So, like, what's the insulation for?
It keeps the cold out in the winter and keeps the warm in, and it keeps the hot out in the summer and keeps the cool in. So it helps you maintain the same temperature year round because your air doesn't flow through the bottom of the house. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.